super fresh acquisition here at St.Albert Dodge, 2022 Ram 2500 Power Wagon. This is a factory purpose-built off-roader. It's got the winch up front and the fully steel bumper, beautiful LED headlights, have front and rear axle lockers, as well as a front sway bar disconnect to give you better articulation, and then you can do front and rear lock, diff lock, and just rear only. Bed step to get in the box. You have a third brake light camera up there, as well as on your tailgate you have a digital rear view mirror, so if you have anything in the box or anybody in the back seat, it'll use that image. Beautiful leather interior. This is a well-equipped Power Wagon, level 3, got 360 camera, adaptive cruise control, mentioned the digital rear view mirror, 12-inch screen. And then starting in 2021, the Power Wagons got rid of the bench seat, went to the console, automatic 4x4 shifting on the fly. Give me a shout at my cell, Jonathan Doucette, St. Albert Dodge. Talk to you soon.